Good afternoon. Thank you for joining us, everyone, and sorry for the short notice. Today's meeting is about planning and implementing the new security software in our network. John will lead the presentation and will give us an overview on the price and the time scale to replace all existing equipment.
Hi guys, this is Shak from Shak's House and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to review the AnkerWork SR500 Speakerphone. It's right here. And as you can see, it's really nice and sleek. You can see that it's picking up my voice already and showing you the volume. It's got some touch sensitive control buttons, so I can mute it and it tells you that it's muted with the orange light. And you can control the volume with the plus and minus volume buttons. You can also take a phone call and hang up. On the sides and all around it, it's got 8 360-degree microphones that will pick up your voice from anywhere around a big desk. At the bottom here, you can daisy chain it to previous speakers and next speakers. And also you've got the power cable here and the USB-C cable here, so you can connect it to your computer, laptop or phone. The USB-C cable comes with USB-A at the end, but they included an adapter to make it USB-C as well. Alright guys, so I'm just going to demonstrate the capability of this SR500 at isolating background noise. It's got a great algorithm and I was very impressed when I was testing it. I'm going to play white noise using this machine here. I'm going to now switch to the SR500. And you probably noticed that the machine isn't heard anymore, only my voice. And like I said, it's really impressive. Now let's switch back to the camera with the built-in microphone. And as you can see, the white noise is probably back and it's quite loud, to be honest. It's actually bothering me. So let's just switch it off. So one more thing, it's not just white noise and predictable noises. It's anything really that is considered noise. For example, if somebody's placed some cup of tea on the table, you won't be able to hear it. I'm going to be tapping on the speakerphone and you will notice that you won't be able to hear it. So first, I'll just use the microphone on the camera. You probably already can hear the tapping. So now I'm going to switch to the SR500 microphone. Let's do some clapping. Let's do some whistling. Alright, so as you can see, it's very impressive noise cancellation on this little speakerphone. Now let's test the microphone's quality to determine how well it picks up my voice. I'm going to read a famous quote by Bruce Lee, and it goes like this.
Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water. You put water into a cup, it becomes the cup. You put water into a bottle, it becomes the bottle. You put it in a teapot, it becomes the teapot. Water can flow or it can crash. Be water, my friend. Now I'm going to play the recording and it's going to come out of the SR500. The microphone is going to pick it up and we're going to check the quality of the sound. Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water. You put water into a cup, it becomes the cup. Water into a bottle, it becomes the bottle. You put it in a teapot, it becomes the teapot. Water can flow or it can crash. Be water, my friend. And the following is a recording of my own voice played on a different video, just to give you an idea on the sound quality.
Hi guys, this is Shak from Shak's Hacks and welcome to my channel. Before I start the review, please support my channel by hitting the subscribe button below so I can continue to bring you the best and latest gadgets reviews. In today's episode, we'll be looking at the Mars Pro Premium Bluetooth speaker.
So as you probably noticed, the sound was very clear. Although this speakerphone isn't for music, I also played some music through it, and to be honest, it's quite good for its size. And I'll quickly demonstrate this for you. Alright guys, I'm just going to test the speakerphone on a desk environment where somebody could be a little bit far away from the speakerphone. I just want to see if the voice gets picked up even if you are a few meters away from it, and whether the voice will distort if you are too close to it. So as you can see in there, the voice is being picked up by the speakerphone already in there. So I'm going to start talking now. I'm just going to tell you a little bit about the speaker while I'm walking away from it. So the speakerphone has 8 microphones all surround it, so it picks up the voice from every angle. So it doesn't matter where you are in the room, it will just pick up your voice. Now as you can see, I'm just approaching the speakerphone again, and hopefully it managed to pick up my voice even from far away from it. I'm just going to get too close to it. I want to see if it does actually clip, which is some kind of distortion when you get too close to the speaker. So right now I'm next to it and hopefully it did not clip at all and you still can hear me very well with no distortion. Let's do it one more time. So I'm going to walk away from the speakerphone. I'm about 3 meters away from it, about 4 meters away from it right now, and about 5 to 6 meters away from it now. So I'm going to carry on walking back to it, still talking, and let's see how my voice is being picked up by these 8 microphones. Now for compatibility. The AnkerWork SR500 Conference Speakerphone is compatible with a wide range of devices, including smartphones, tablets, and laptops. The speaker also has a built-in support for popular video conferencing platforms such as Zoom, Skype, Teams, FaceTime, WebEx, GoToMeeting and Google Meet. The speaker is easy to use and set up, making it perfect for remote workers and people who frequently use video conferencing. Now for the conclusion. The AnkerWork SR500 Conference Speakerphone is a great choice for anyone looking for high quality audio for conference calls and online meetings. The speaker has a sleek design, clear sound quality and active noise cancellation. The SR500 is compatible over a wide range of devices and video conference platforms, making it easy to use for remote workers and people who frequently use video conferencing. If you're on the market for a conference speaker, the AnkerWork SR500 is definitely worth considering. That's all for today's review of the AnkerWork SR500 Conference Speakerphone. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye!